Hello guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to wire a fire alarm to a 12 volt, 24 volt, or 12 volt power adapter. This video was recommended by someone in my comments from another video I made about how to wire a fire alarm to batteries, but today we are going to just be doing adapters. So the materials you need for this are some wire strippers, a Phillips head screwdriver, fire alarm pull station fire alarm obviously, and maybe some wire nuts depending on what kind of fire alarm you have. Right now I'm using a 9 volt power adapter, but I would recommend using a 24 volt power adapter just because it'll make your alarms work better and they're not weak and not as loud as they should be, so yeah. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is cut the end off the cord from the power adapter and then strip the ends, but I've already done this, as you can see. Then you're gonna want to identify which wire is which one is hot and which one's neutral. For this one, the one with the, I don't know if you can see, but there's some white lines there. This is the neutral wire, and this one's the hot wire since there isn't not any lines on it. But I would still check just to make sure. Then we're going to take our hot wire and put it in the back of our pull station. Like that. Now we're going to take the other wire which is the neutral one, and put it in this terminal. Also, I forgot, you're going to need a piece of speaker wire, maybe some bell wire. Not that long, but you strip those ends and put it in the positive terminal of your fire alarm. Then you're going to take the other end and put it in this side of your pull station. Then you're going to plug your adapter in. If I can get it in there. There we go. And if your fire alarm starts going off, then you probably wired it wrong. But anyway, if you give your fire alarm pull, you can see it starts flashing. And to reset it, put the key in, and the flashing stops. Now I'm going to show you how to wire a fire alarm with pigtails like this. So what you're going to want to do is take your hot wire, put it to the red terminal, no, red pigtail, I'm sorry, I'm just going to take both, but you probably should not do this. And just tape the other pigtail off, like that. And then you're going to take your neutral wire and put it to the neutral wires of your fire alarm. Like so. Now when we pull the alarm, yeah, this is why I recommend using a higher voltage adapter, because the strobe is flashing slower than it should. But it still works, so Well guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be dropping a fire alarm loudness test pretty soon, so check out for that, and I'll see you in the next one.